Hey guys, what is going on? This is James and welcome back to today's video. Now, in today's video, we're going to be covering a topic that a lot of people talk about when it comes to Facebook ads. And it's what to do when your ads get sales and then all of a sudden just kind of die out. Now, you really see this especially in the testing phase of your campaign. I see this all the time in my own campaigns. And again, I see a lot of people having trouble with this in groups. They message me, they hit me up, even people that I coach. This is a problem that I see a lot of people having. So I obviously go over that with my coaching students, but I wanted to make a video teaching you guys what the deal is as far as this goes. Now, there are a whole bunch of different situations, and I don't know what context your ads died out. Like, an ad that dies out in the scaling phase is a little bit different than an ad that dies out in the beginning phase. So really, I want to talk about what happens when an ad kind of seemingly just dies out when you're testing an ad set off at first, like within the first day or two or three. That's what I really want to go over in this video. So first off, you just have to kind of understand and accept the fact that Facebook is going to be inconsistent some days. You know, Facebook is notoriously just like goofy sometimes. Like, there's days where there will be traffic that's off, there's days where Facebook will be doing maintenance, or they'll kind of screw up a whole bunch of stuff, or maybe there's even days when, I know recently Shopify actually went down and, you know, a lot of stores actually lost momentum, and a lot of ads actually lost momentum too. I saw that from experience. I was wondering why I wasn't getting any sales on one of my stores, and I looked and Shopify was actually down. They were having issues, and it seemingly just kind of killed like the whole momentum of my ad. And so that was really annoying and it was stressful, but that's just what you have to realize that you're up against when you're doing Facebook ads. Just one of those things that you have to deal with. So with that being said, that's kind of first off what I wanted to tell you guys about. But moreover, to answer the question here is really one of the reasons why Facebook ads die out just seemingly out of nowhere when you're first testing ad sets out within the first few days is really because Facebook is going to go out and find you buyers the first day. It's really going to go out, and when you start that ad, it's going to try to go out and actually find people who are going to purchase whatever you're selling. And they're going to go out and it's going to send you the best quality traffic that it possibly can with, you know, your $5 a day ad budget or whatever you have. It's going to find that, it's going to go out there and find those people that are most likely to convert, especially if you're using the purchase conversion, which I recommend that you always do. It's going to go out there and it's going to basically try to find buyers for as cheaply as possible. That's why if you're not getting sales on a campaign after, you know, $15 or $20 ad spend, you're probably not going to get any sales at all, because Facebook in theory is sending you the absolute best traffic that it can within the first, you know, day or two. So really what happens is a lot of the times I'll launch an ad and then I'll get a sale right away within the first day, and then the next day or two it might die out. So really what I like to do is, if it has a sale, I'll let it spend up to like $20, because I just, you know, have proof that that's an ad set that you know, has potential there. But really what I've seen from every single winner that I've ever had that's been started with like $3 to $5 a day ad sets, with every winner that I've ever had, it's really gotten a consistent sale or two per day per ad set. So really, you know, if your ad's dying off the bat, that's probably not going to be like a super, you know, winner for you off the bat. But as far as just like getting sales and being profitable, that could be a campaign or a product that, you know, you have decent success with. But at the end of the day, a product that kind of dies out after the first 1 or 2 days, that's probably not going to be like a mega winner for you, and you shouldn't really expect that. But it does happen, and so that's really one of the biggest reasons that your Facebook ad campaigns die after the first few days like that, is because Facebook is really just sending you the absolute best traffic that it can within that first, you know, 24-hour period, even, you know, 48 hours. It's trying to figure out who's going to buy your stuff, who's going to take you up on your offer, who's going to fire off that conversion pixel. That's what they're looking for, and that's the traffic that they're going to send you to. And obviously Facebook runs experiments as well. They'll test different sections of your audience. They'll test a whole bunch of different things. They'll test age ranges, all that stuff. So that's really why Facebook can seem inconsistent at sometimes, because it's testing out different audiences within your audience, if that makes sense. It's testing out different age ranges, genders, placements. You know, it all depends on your ad set, but that's really what Facebook is doing. So that's why it can seem kind of inconsistent sometimes. because Facebook is just trying to figure out what the heck to do with your ads and who to show them to and who's best, most likely to convert. But again, if you let it run, if you let your ad that has gotten a sale run up until $20 and it hasn't gotten another sale after that, then I would just kill the ad. It's best if you just move on. If you're not getting another sale after $20, then just move on, try something else, and save your money. You're much better off spending that on another product test rather than just sitting there and hoping that you're getting sales. But like I said, really for every winning product that I've ever had, I've seen basically consistent 1 to 2 sales per day per ad set that's winning, if that makes sense. So that's just something that I've noticed, and that's just something that I've seen a lot of other people deal with too when they have their winners. But guys, with that being said, that's pretty much it for today's video. That's kind of why your ads can be inconsistent in the beginning. If you like more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm uploading daily, so I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Take it easy.